Good morning, guys. What time is it, babe?
4:20.
He's getting ready to go to work. I just took a shower before Maddie gets up. And I'm gonna start cleaning because I have a lot to do. Bye. Have a good day. So I'm gonna get started before the kids get up and Maddie. I need to find me a pants. I don't have any pants on. Have a good day.
Okay. You like it, huh?
Oh well. He's tired. Like he had to work. He came home from work around 12 a.m. Let me get out of the dark. So he came home from work around 12 a.m. and he's now leaving again at 4 a.m. so he only got like 3 hours of sleep. Yeah. Maddie's up right there, and I was scouring my bathroom, so I'm gonna go feed her, but I'm gonna get some water first, and then I think it's her 4 a.m. feed. Say good morning. Not really. Okay, I'm gonna go feed her. I'll be back. She's gone back down. She is sleeping. Let me get up and go clean before this child wakes up. She's squirming. So yeah. Remember I was telling you guys about my husband's job? And how he didn't feel like he had job stability? Well, God worked in mysterious ways, and needless to say, he got a promotion, so. Thank you guys so much for all your prayers and your thoughts and concerns. So, we're okay. But she's sleeping, and I want to sit here and watch her, but I gotta get up. Look who's up, guys. This little beauty decided to be up. It's 12 o'clock, and she's up. I think she's up. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Good morning, Maddie. I'm gonna feed her again because she's chewing on her hand. So I think she want to eat more. So I'm gonna feed her and come back. I'm gonna feed her. Oops. Okay, I need some coffee. I need something. I need some tea or something. The animals are even up. There's no coffee. There's nothing. Somebody forgot to go grocery shopping. I'll be back. Guys, I'm gonna have to start over tomorrow because today is not working. Maddie did not let me do anything. The last time I remember, I was telling you guys I was waking up at 4 a.m. My husband just came back through the door from his other job, and it's now a little after 10. I didn't get nothing done. This child was literally on me. I went to an IEP meeting for Jordan. They're gonna do a review on him to see where he is, because the last time they did a review, they weren't able to get an IQ score on him, so they're gonna do that to see where he is. And Jordan as well as Jaxson has what's known as a specific learning disability. And Jordan has ADHD. Jaxson has specific learning disability, but he was not diagnosed, or they didn't catch it until later on, probably a year or so ago, that Jaxson got it. Jordan had it since he was young, probably around 2.5. He's had an IEP. He started school pretty early. He went to pre-K, he went to preschool, he kindergarten. All his life he's had an IEP, and they're kind of worried now that he's his attention is not there. Jordan, I don't know, his attention span is just not there. So they're gonna do that, but they're not gonna do the review until May 2nd. So I shall update you guys on that. But I've been to one too many IEP meetings than I can actually count. I'll be happy when I no longer have to go to IEP meetings, because they are draining, because they just sit there. It's like a whole bunch of them. You have the principal, you got the special educator, you have the teachers, you have the psychologist, you have everybody just sitting there. So before we start, do you have anything to say about Jordan? Really? And sometimes I'm just sitting there like, here we go again, but whatever. Anyways, I'll start over tomorrow because I didn't get anything done. And I'm going to show you guys my planner for the week. So let me show you guys my planner for the week and my spread and what it's looking like. We're midweek. Tomorrow is Wednesday. So I might be able to edit this vlog and give you guys the footage if I can clean the bathroom enough for I'm doing all of this and you guys are getting footage, like, you know. I just want it to be extra. You know, I try not to be the typical YouTuber, but I'm turning into them these days where I'm like, and I'm like,
I think she's an owl. Look.
I'm gonna show you guys Maddie without trying to be all in my husband's business, but look. Maddie Quinn. She heard my voice. Okay, alright, that's enough. Alright, so onto my planner. So as you guys know, I do have the happy planner that I plan my life, and this was for TheAlbornozareGrowing. This was gonna be for my actual channel planner, but it turned into my family planner. It says all things are possible with coffee and mascara. So true. And this is just the monthly overview. That was the end of the year, the New Year's. This was last week's spread. It's pretty. And it says one day at a time, which is true. With a newborn these days, it's true. So this week is Laundry's still on Thursday, even though I'm still playing catch up all throughout the week. I have a birthday party for Destiny on Saturday. My husband works at 3 a.m. on Sunday. So that means I'm doing lunch at home and breakfast and dinner at home on Sundays. Because Sundays we usually go to the in-laws. Saturday I'm going to church. And tomorrow's Wednesday. I go grocery shopping right here. So that's it. That's what it's looking like for this week. So anyways, I will talk to you guys later.